long journey. We've reached Panvel station. Now we'll head to the Panvel bus depot, and from there we'll take a bus to Thakurwadi, and from there we'll start the hike. As you can see, this bus is almost like a roller coaster ride that we're having, because the roads are not nice and the speed the driver is riding in is pretty high. So we're having the time of our life. So we just got here in Thakurwadi, but then it happens to be the wrong spot to land on, because you have to land at the place before Thakurwadi to get up to the hiking location for Kalavantin Fort. So that's where we're gonna go now. We've mistakenly landed ourselves here, but then we'll just show you where the Kalavantin Fort is right now. So this is the place that we're in. It's called Thakurwadi, and that's the hill right there. So we're gonna go up there. Yeah, that's the place. This side it's Prabalgarh, and this is Kalavantin Durg. So this is the shed, guys. This can also be a landmark for your trek, because this is where you start the trek from. This is also the place where you can get lime water, tea and etc. But right now it doesn't seem like they're open. So let's go. We're just 10 minutes into the trek and then something struck me. And that is, I should be timing our trek. So here we started. So halfway into the trek, let's see how long has it been. It's been right about 52 minutes, and let's see, we should be there in half an hour or so. Don't really know, so who knows. Let's go. Much of a relaxing walk, we finally come to the base point, and now behind me, that's the place we want to summit to. So let's check out how long did it take us. Oh, it's more than what I expected. It took us about 1 hour 36 minutes to get to this point. So this is more like a hiking place. This is where we're gonna pitch our tents tonight. Beautiful place. Everything's quiet. Wind blowing. And magic happening. So we found this swing in the middle of the jungle, and when I looked at it, it didn't seem interesting, but then when I got on top of it and when I actually swing through it, like there's nothing down there. So, we finally reached the last leg of this climb, and now we're about 15 minutes or 10 minutes away from the top. The last leg was a little steep, but definitely worth a climb. Can't wait to get up there and check it out. Just to give you a little perspective on how the climb to the top is, we're halfway on our way, and this is how it looks. So that's the hill down there. That right there, the top is called Prabhalgarh. That's where we were. And this is how steep it is. So you better don't miss a step. Such silence. Woo! As humans of this generation, we're really missing out on what's there. Go out, explore. Explore sometime. It's a beautiful world out there. Life is beautiful! Alright guys, couldn't vlog yesterday, but these kids are really distracting me. Anyway, alright guys, so couldn't vlog yesterday because it got dark really fast. We were seduced by the idea of spending our sunset and watching the sunset from the top. So fortunately we got to spend our sunset time there. We got to see the majestic view. It was brilliant, it was gorgeous, nature was at its peak, and the first reaction when I went up there was that there were tears in my eyes, and I was humbled by the experience, you know. We came back, we camped here at night, met some beautiful people like here. Come here. So these were the friends I made yesterday. So how was your experience in Kalavantin?
It was very beautiful. It was very beautiful.
Although they didn't go up there, we camped together last night and then we played some Uno. I told them some horror stories. Did you enjoy the horror stories?
Yes!
And it was a fun time.
We should spend some time on trekking. Okay. I love trekking. My best experience for adventure is trekking.
So last night when we came here, we met these two beautiful people, and they are also the ones who organize the trips here in Kalavantin and all over Maharashtra, and they are called Runway Adventures. So you can check out the numbers given below in the description.
Yeah, we are always available.
Yeah. So I suggest you guys to definitely come and visit this place. What a beautiful place. Camp here, see the beautiful stars, spend your time with the nature. Now, where are we?
Going down.
We are going back home.
Yes.